So here is the second order of mine. So TRONYOO. So it's Japanese brand made in China. So let's see what we are getting here. So it's 32-inch and it cost me around 88 yuan, almost like. Comes with great packaging, I see. So silicone stone is good, quality is very good, and you are getting so this is the lid, and this is the fry pan. This is the handle, you need to attach it. Great quality. So this is not the handle, this is for the here. So this is the handle. So this is the handle for the fry pan. So this is on top of the fry pan, and also we do have other handle, so they gave us a screwdriver also with it. Thanks to them, I think we are gonna have another handle. So here it is, I guess. So this is for the other sides. So it looks like this. হ্যাঁ সকালে খাইছি, এরি সকালে খেয়ে গেছি, আবার রাতে খামো দেখি, বুঝছো নি? So this is the complete setup. So you need to attach it and also attach it. This is the downside of it. I think this will stay with me for a long time. Let's hope for the best. So that was it. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section. Bye bye.